to attend the gala with me. Light sip. Am I not wanted? And giggle. I am so naughty. The flesh demands invitation. You will not have to discard your pets, and I will not discard you.
Awful! I think this is going to be the worst day of my life! Why would I know? I'm too stupid to even imagine anything! I'm sorry. My stupidness never ends.
Listen closely. Do you hear it? You will hear the laughter of thousands as the sky opens up. You will hear the trumpets play their happy sounds.
Welcome, gentlemen, to Aperture Science. Astronauts, war heroes, Olympians, you're here because we want the best. And you are it. So, who is ready to make some science? Now, you already met one another on the limo ride over, so let me introduce myself. I'm Cave Johnson.
Father, it's me, Michael. I did it. I found it. It was right where you said it would be. They were all there. They didn't recognize me at first, but then they thought I was you.
Greetings. I am Shara.
Shara. The demon.
That comes when people call its name. It doesn't matter when. It doesn't matter where.
Divestment? Are you making fun of my unemployment lives? I don't care! Don't care! Go away! What? You are Ana? You have a job? Ew. I am nice to you, and this is the thanks I get?